These are so sick.
Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. Now, the new video for today is going to be a sneaker review, but it's not just any sneaker review, because today's sneaker review is going to be on the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red.
And I don't do colorful jeans and shiny kicks. My shoe game's penny in 96. I move, aim, hit him and find a flip. Whether it's a beat or a scam, I gave y'all wizardry with my hands.
Now, just going ahead and getting into this sneaker right here. One of the best sneakers to release in 2020, hands down. By far. If you can find a better sneaker than this shoe, put it in the comment section. I really want to hear you guys' opinions because I think that you can't find one. Now, when it comes to this sneaker right here, bro, first and foremost, the shoe getting to me took a long time. Like I said in the unboxing, go check that video out if you haven't already. Y'all saw the box, so y'all know it's a Nike sneaker. To the people over at Nike, bro, here, he's all yours. I understand, bro. We are in a pandemic. We're in a pandemic. But my mama ordered a vacuum cleaner on Sunday, and she got it the same day I just got my kicks. Here, he's all yours. Bro, give me my, bro, as soon as you see Briggs ordered sneakers, send my shoes, please. This sneaker took 2 weeks to get to me. I copped this sneaker during the Michael Jordan The Last Dance. I told you guys in that sneaker news video also. When the Michael Jordan The Last Dance documentary aired, Jordan Brand released a shock drop for the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. And a lot of people took L's, but I actually took a W on this sneaker. The only thing was that I didn't get my sneaker until 2 weeks after. I'm saying, like, every single day I'm going on my phone and I'm checking the Nike app and it just says processing. Bro, I done sent you my $214, bro. Hurry up, get me my shoe. I really wanted to get the review done as soon as possible, but even though they were late on getting my sneakers, we finally have these bad boys in the collection. First and foremost, when it comes to the construction and the materials used, the upper is in an all over, just pretty straightforward all white leather. But one thing that I will say about this all white leather is that it's different. It's weird. It feels sweaty. It feels very, like, I don't know. It feels kind of plush at the same time. Now, if you guys don't know, I did have the 08 CDP pack with the Fire Red 5s in that pack.
Sometime in 2017.
There's no cracking, there's no peeling. The only thing that you see is just a little bit of creasing on the toe, but you already know that I have some B-roll coming for you guys. This is just a little warning from goat to goat. If you guys want deals, bro, if you guys want deals on shoes, make sure you go to your local sneaker boutiques, become friends with the people at the local sneaker boutiques, and maybe they could cut you some slack and throw you a deal, because I pretty much just paid $40 for a Heat shoe. This leather feels way better than that leather. Those were like some bricks, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This one is actually pretty soft. Now, I saw the sneaker a while ago. I saw the shoe back in like January, February in person. And initially when I first saw this shoe, it looked like it had like glitter all over the shoe, but maybe I just saw the wrong pairs. Maybe it got recalled or something, because the pairs that I saw for sure looked like they had glitter all over them. But these right here, bro, these right here, not bad. I thought the leather was going to be trash. I honestly thought that the leather was going to be trash, but I was just going to cop this shoe anyway, just because I needed this shoe in my collection, you feel me? When they dropped, they sold out initially pretty quickly. When they did the Last Dance drop, they sold out pretty quick on that shock drop also. But this shoe has re-retroed a good maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 times since the initial drop. I'm not going to lie, I saw the shoe restock like twice today, and sizes sat for like an hour or two before they just sold out randomly. So if you guys are looking for an Air Jordan 5 right here and you really want this sneaker in your collection, I feel like now is the time with this pandemic going on to cop this sneaker, because after that the prices is just gonna go up. This is the first time this sneaker has released in 20 years. I already know that you guys are gonna want to get these, bro. You're gonna want these in your collection, bro, because once you miss out after everything is done going on, the price is only gonna go up. When it comes to sizing, I went true to size on a size 10. I recommend that you guys go true to size 2.
fits pretty good, fits pretty true to size, so I recommend that you guys stick to that. Other than that, that's pretty much it, bro. There's not much to get into. Looking at that black midsole with like that fire red print, I think that is pretty cool. And then going up, as you guys can see, we have that white leather on the sneaker. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, how good does this sneaker's leather look? Also going on in the back, we got that Nike Air on the back right there. Super nicey. That lace lock, we have the clear little lace lock right here and the nice little 3M tongue. Looking at the bottom of the shoe right here, it's pretty much black, but we do have more of that icy blue sole down here with some red underneath all of that. This is fire. Can't go wrong with the icy blue sole. Nice and simple, nice and clean. Other than that, there isn't really much to talk about when it comes to the sneaker, bro. It's just a plain white, hits of black, hits of red sneaker. Plain iconic sneaker. Lace lock, got Nike on it. Pretty simple. Nice little icy blue sole right here. There's not really much to talk about. So I'm just gonna get straight into the on-foot review. But before we even get into that on-foot review, please go ahead and smash that like button. Also, please make sure that you guys check out the socials. The Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at I'm Chris Briggs and at I'm Chris Briggs too. But without further ado, as you guys already, what was that? What was all of that? That was just way too much. As you guys already know, more bangers coming soon. More tune for your head top coming soon. Please go ahead and enjoy that on foot. And without further ado, all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. Make sure you're wearing your face masks. You feel me? And Chris Briggs, signing out.
Where'd you find these?